Hi everyone and welcome to this beautiful villa located in the area of Montgo here in Javea, Spain. So this villa is really special and one of the main reasons is because of its location. So it is located at only a 10-minute walk from the Javea Old Town, where you can find a variety of amenities. And besides that, it's also only a 5-minute walk to Javea International College. It's a school right here, so if you're moving here with children, this villa is perfect for you. Besides all that, the villa has a lot of space around it. It is built at over 3,000 square meters plot. It's south facing and completely flat, so you can do a lot with the space you have around you. As you can see, you have a big driveway here. It's enough space to park cars. There's a double garage, and the inside is what I would like to show you next. So why don't we go ahead on? So here we enter the home and you can right away see the amount of space I was talking about. So we enter in the hallway, and on my left side you have a guest toilet, which is really nice if you have people over. And we continue now, and on my right hand side you have the kitchen. It's a really large kitchen with a lot of space to prepare all the meals you like. And from the kitchen we head out to the formal living room. So this, in my opinion, is really a beautiful space. You have this fireplace which is see-through, so you can enjoy this fire from as well the living area as the dining area you can find here behind me. And there's a lot of light coming in. There's these big open windows, and you have the naya on my left side, which is a really nice space to relax and chill out. What is really special about this villa is that it is only constructed in 2005, and you wouldn't say that because it is full of these traditional Spanish elements such as the barrel ceilings and the Tosca stone. I think it's a good moment right now to start talking about a few other specs of this property. So it is connected to fiber internet, so if you're thinking about working from home, this is a really good villa for you. And besides that, there is gas central heating throughout. And it's connected to mains gas, which is really rare around here. And that makes it that you don't have to work with bottles, which could be a bit annoying sometimes. And there is hot and cold air conditioning. So what is important to mention is that this villa is almost entirely distributed of one level. There is an upstairs where you can get to by these stairs. And upstairs you can find one bedroom and an office space. But most of the bedrooms, which is 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, you can find right here down this hallway. So when you take these steps down, you enter another second living area. It's kind of a lounge area, really nice. There's some sofas here. You could use it as a TV room as well, or as an office if that's what you desire. These sofas, they look really comfortable. I think I'm gonna sit down because this is the perfect space to admire the pool and Cumbre del Sol in the distance. So the garden of this house is really special. As I was mentioning before, it is a large plot, over 3,000 square meters, all flat as you can see. There's a lot of nice plants and trees, and it's really easy to maintain. Good to mention as well is that there is a large water deposito in this house. It collects rain from the roof, and that's all feeds the automatic irrigation system of this garden. There's a lot of nice lounge areas around here. There's an outdoor shower, and here we have the outside kitchen, or the summer kitchen, how you could call it. So this is a perfect space for entertaining if you have family and friends over. I think this is a perfect space to also wrap this video up. I hope you enjoyed the home tour. If you have any other questions about this property or would like to arrange a viewing, I will put our contact details down in the description. And if you would like your own home to be toured like this, don't hesitate to just pick up the phone and get in touch.